Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I am participating in a challenge. This is a weekly challenge that's being hosted by Kimberly Davis over at Diva Designing with Kimberly Davis. And each week, she asks you to focus on an area in your home to do some spring cleaning. And for this week, it is the kitchen. So I'll be cleaning this area of my kitchen, not the entire kitchen, in this video. So I'll be cleaning my microwave, and I'll be using some water and this cleaning vinegar that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And she also asks you in the video to give some tips. So this tip is to heat this water for 3 minutes, and as that steam rises to the top of the microwave, it's going to be easier for you to clean the microwave. You can just wipe it down after 3 minutes, opposed to having to screw the microwave. So I'm going to clean my countertops off, declutter it, and I'll be back. It's been 3 minutes, so I'm going to take the water out, and then I'm just going to wipe the top of the microwave out like so. It's nice and easy. So I'm going to finish cleaning. And you have a nice clean microwave. The top, the sides, and the bottom. With a little vinegar and water. So that's tip number 1. Featuring these LED put lights that I picked up from Aldi's. They have 4 different dimmers on them. Those are the colors. And they have a remote. And so this is going to be like a unboxing, first impression. I'll come back and do a full review at a later date. So now I have my counter all cleaned off. And I added this contact paper to the countertops. If you want to see how I did that, I'll link that video in the description box. And this is a DIY I did create using all Dollar Tree item. I created this coffee cup that we use for our snacks. I'll link that video also if there's something you're interested in. And these are some stackable cooling racks that I picked up from Aldi. So I guess you know by now I love Aldi's. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Mrs Vee. I focus on ways to help you save money. And in this video, I'm going to be focusing on ways to help you clean. So my second tip is to, if you have black appliances like myself, after you clean your appliances, use Windex to get all the streaks off. So these are my puck lights. I have them installed where I have them under the cabinet. And here's a demonstration. I like the way they look. So you can set a timer. I set mine for 2 hours, I think. And you can dim them. You can make them bright, and you can dim them. So you got the 4 different dimmers. So I want to go ahead and thank Kimberly for hosting this much needed challenge. I like the fact that we do one room, focus on one room a week. That's very helpful, being that everyone is so busy. So that's going to conclude this video. So this is Mrs Vee. I'm going to continue to show you love, and I'm going to help you save.